Good morning, my dear students and my friends and my Facebook friends or the friends on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach a new lesson in English grammar, and according to English grammar, this lesson is very important. And the name of the new lesson is person. Persons. We discuss about the persons today in this lesson, and before teaching the person chapter, I would like to tell about the persons to everybody. Person is not belonging about us also and only. And the person is related to the uses or the grammatical uses in English grammar. And person is the most important topic that we have to be perfect in English grammar. Without the knowledge of persons, we will not be perfect in English grammar, and when we will not be perfect in it, we will not speak a good language, and we will not speak good, and we will not speak, we will not manage our environment, and we will not manage the environment according to the English. So, before making a good community, we will learn about the persons, and we have to learn about the persons. Now everybody knows about the persons. Persons are the forms of persons. Persons are the forms or moods of pronouns. Persons are the forms and the moods of pronouns. We learn about the pronouns as many times as cases as different blah blah, but from the forms or the moods of pronouns, we also have to learn about the persons before doing any past problems according to the English grammar. According to the English grammar, person is categorized in three different categories. Persons are categorized in three different categories. Today we will learn about the persons, and the definition of persons is: persons are the forms or moods of pronouns. Persons are the forms and the moods of pronouns, and similarly we can say that persons are categorized in three different categories. पर्सन्सलाई जम्मा 3 वटा फरक फरक भागमा बाँडिएका छन्, and the three different categories are first person, second person, and third person. Now everybody look on your screen and look on the board. Person is categorized. These are their persons. Persons are categorized in three different categories. They are first persons, second person, and the third persons. And we learn about the first person. There are two first persons. There are only two forms of first persons. They are I and we. I and we are only the first persons. I and we are only the first persons, and second person there is only one. There is only one second person in English grammar. It is you. You is the second person in this grammar, and instead of I, we, and you are all rest pronouns are third persons. Please everyone look on the screen and look on the board carefully. And my dear friends, today I am teaching you a new chapter, and the name of the new chapter is person. So now look on the board or the screen also. Person is categorized in 3 different categories, and they are first person, second person, and the third person. First person is categorized in different categories, I and we. Second person is categorized in single category, it is you, and the rest of I, we, and you all pronouns are third person. Instead of I, we, and you. Instead of I, we, and you are all rest pronouns are the third persons. I, we, and you बाहेकका जति पनि बाँकी प्रोनाउन्सहरु हुन्छन् त्यो सब थर्ड पर्सन अन्तर्गत पर्ने गर्दछन्. I र we लाई हामी फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रथम व्यक्ति फर्स्ट पर्सन को रूपमा लिन्छौं. you लाई हामी द्वितीय व्यक्ति द्वितीय पुरुष सेकेन्ड पर्सन को रूपमा लिन्छौं र I र we र you I, we र you लाई छाडेर त्यसका बाहेक जति पनि रेस्ट प्रोनाउन्सहरु बस्छन् त्यो सबै थर्ड पर्सन अन्तर्गत पर्ने गर्दछन्. फर्स्ट पर्सन भन्नाले कोही मान्छे जो आफ्नो बारेमा कुरा गर्छ. Now a person talked about himself in the first person. Example, I talked about myself. That means I is the first person. We are doing our duties ourselves. That means we is the first person. And the second person is talking about you. That means you are a good boy. You is the second person. You are a naughty boy. You the second person. You are a so beautiful girl. So you is the second person. And the rest of I, we, and you. For example, you, then first person and second person get together and talking about another person is known as the third person. That means there is you and here is me. You and me are getting together and talking about the another one person. So that person is known as the third person. That means I, first person, we, first persons, and I will talk about you. So you, the second persons, and when you and me get together and talk about another person here, the third person is known as the third person. And not only I and we are first persons. The forms of I and the forms of we are also known as the first person. And the forms of I are my, mine, me, and myself. My, mine, me, and myself. My, mine, me, and myself are the forms of I. My, mine, me, and myself are the forms of I because my, mine, me, and myself are made of I. And the forms of we are our, ours, us, and ourselves. Now everyone look on the screen and look on the board. Our, ours, us, and ourselves are the forms of we, and they all are known as the first persons. The forms of I and the forms of we, I, my, mine, me, myself are the forms of I. Our, ours, us, ourselves are the forms of we, and they all known as the first persons. Now everyone, concentrate on your study and look on your screen and listen to me carefully and be careful about the changes of person. So we can also say that the forms of you, the forms of you are your, yours, you as objective case, you as objective case, and yourself and yourselves. Now everyone look carefully on the screen. Your, yours, your, as you as objective case, yourself and yourselves. They all are made of you, and you is the second person. So we can say the forms of you with you are known as the second persons. And the rest pieces of pronouns. Instead of I, we, and you. Instead of I, you, and you, the rest pieces of pronouns are all known as the third person. For example, he, himself, his, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, their, theirs, them, etc. all are third persons. Now everyone look on the board. I, my, mine, me, myself. We, our, ours, us, and ourselves are the first persons. You, your, yours, you as a letter case, yourself and ourselves, yourselves are the second person. And he, himself, she, now I know himself. He, himself, she, he himself, his, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, their, theirs, them, etc. are all known as the third person. We can also say that the name of the person, name of the persons are also third person. So everyone look on the screen and look on the board and please listen to me carefully. The name of the persons as the name of the human beings that, for example, my name is Rupesh. So I and my name is Rupesh, my the first person, but Rupesh is the third person. So the name of the persons, that the name of persons Ram, Shyam, Gita, Mohan, Sita, Rita, they all are the names or the proper names of human beings, and the names of human beings and the proper nouns are also known as the third person. So thank you my dear students for giving me a great time, and I hope you have learned about the persons. Be carefully, and I request you to note about it and to note the ideas that I teach you. And today I have taught you chapter persons, and once again I am going to tell about the person. Person is really a very important chapter in the topic for English grammar, because without the uses of person and the different modes of pronouns of persons, we cannot talk about English and we cannot talk in English. Before discussion in English and making a conflict and the conference about the English and English language, we have to learn about the cases and pronouns and the persons. So please be careful about the persons, because a small type of mistakes can bring you in very big problem. So please handle the person as a wish, and I hope you have learned about the persons carefully. So thank you and bye.